Good morning, my dear students. Sorry for being late to upload lessons because I have a personal problem. Already we have discussed the muscle tissue, types of muscle tissue, skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Today we are going to talk about functions of muscle tissue. What are the main functions? Mainly contraction and relaxation. When contraction, thicker and shorten the muscle fiber. Skeletal muscle fibers are stimulated by motor nerve impulses originating in the brain and spinal cord and ending at the neuromuscular junction. When, con- uh, when contraction, what happen? Thicker and shorten. Skeletal muscle tissue stimulated by what? Motor nerve impulse. From where it originates? It originating in the brain and spinal cord. Where it ends? It ends at the neuromuscular junction. You have to highlight. Then smooth and cardiac muscles have the intrinsic ability to initiate contraction. In addition, contraction is stimulated by what? Autonomic nerve impulses, hormones, and local metabolites. When muscle fibers contract, they follow the all low, none low. As an example, each fiber contracts to its full capacity or not at all. The strength of contraction, in example, lifting a weight, depends of fibers contractility at the same time. Group of fibers contract in series. Contraction of a smooth muscle is slower and more sustained than skeletal muscle. What are the substances needed for contraction when it is stimulated? Blood supply to provide oxygen, calcium, and nutritional materials, and to remove waste products. Hereafter, we are let us talk about um, action of skeletal muscle. When individual muscle cells in a muscle shorten, they pull on the connective tissue framework running through the whole muscle, and the muscle develops a degree of tension. We call it as tone. Hereafter, we have to talk about the muscle tone, muscle fatigue, and muscle recovery. Muscle tone. When a muscle fiber contracts, it obeys the all or none law. In example, the whole fiber either contracts completely or not at all. The degree of contraction achieved by a whole muscle depends therefore on the number of fibers within it that are contracting at any one time, as well as how often they are stimulated. Powerful contractions involve a larger proportion of available fibers than weaker ones. To lift a heavy weight, more muscle fibers are required. More muscle fibers are needed to contract than to lift a lighter one. Okay? Muscle tone පේශිතානය අපි සිංහලෙන් කියනවා පේශිතානය කියලා. Muscle fiber muscle fatigue පේශි විඩාව muscle recovery පේශි නිදහස් වීම. Okay? Muscle tone is a sustained partial muscle contraction that allows posture to be maintained without fatiguing the muscles involved. For instance, keeping the head upright requires constant activity of the muscle of the neck and shoulders. Group of muscle fibers within these muscles take it in turns to contract, so that any one time some fibers are contracted and others are resting. This allows the effort required to hold the head upright to be distributed throughout the muscles involved. Good muscle tone protects joints and gives a muscle firmness and shape even when relaxed. අපි හැමෝගෙම මේ පේශි වල තාණය කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. ටෝන් එකක් කියලා තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ පේශි නැත්තම් කඩා වැටෙනවා. වැටෙන ස්වරූපේ තියෙනවා. මේ පේශි තාණය හින්දා තමයි අපිට මේ තියාගෙන ඉන්න පුළුවන් අපේ හිස කෙලින් තියාගෙන ඉන්න ඒ වගේම shoulders neck අතපය අත්පා සියල්ල අපිට අවශ්‍ය ස්ථාපිතේ තියාගෙන ඉන්න පුළුවන් වෙලා තියෙන ඒ නිසායි. Active and inactive. When active muscle, you can see when active what is the position. Muscle has a tone, and then inactive it has short and small. In active phase it has large. Muscle fatigue. Then I have to talk with you muscle fatigue. To work at sustained levels, muscles need an adequate supply of oxygen and fuel molecules such as glucose. Fatigue occurs when the muscle works at a level that exceeds these supplies. The muscle response decreases with fatigue. Fatigue occurs when the muscle works at a level. When muscle is working, it is exhausted. Then come muscle fatigue. Then the chemical energy that muscles require is usually derived from the breakdown of carbohydrate and fat. To work muscle, it needs energy. From where its energy taking by breaking down of carbohydrate, catabolism. Protein may be used if supplies of fat and carbohydrate are exhausted, and adequate oxygen supply is needed to release fuel all the energy stored within these fuel molecules. Without it, the body uses anaerobic metabolic pathways that are less efficient and lead to lactic acid production. When body uses anaerobic metabolic pathways, not the catabolism, then it produces lactic acid. A new explanation of muscle fatigue. There is a new explanation of muscle fatigue. Muscle contraction and relaxation are controlled by release and a storage of calcium ions within muscle fibers. Scientists at Columbia University say that muscle fatigue, largely misunderstood for decades, is caused by calcium leaking into the muscle cell. In muscle contraction, it described calcium ions are released into the cell, causing filament in the muscle fiber to contract. Calcium ions are released from a structure in the cell called the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Then ions are releasing calcium release channels, filaments. Then in muscle relaxation, leaking channels, then close the channels, and then in the cell, in tired muscle, channels leak calcium ions, weakening contractions. Calcium pump. Thank you very much for listening.